Hello and welcome back to the Opportunities with Aqeel. If you are a pharmacist aiming to build a career abroad, you are in the right place. In this video, we will dive into the essential networking strategies that can unlock international opportunities for pharmacists. Whether you are just starting or have been in the field for years, these tips will help you to expand your professional research and land your dream job. So first we will discuss on the importance of the network, why network matters. The global opportunities or global market is highly competitive. Submitting the application alone often isn't enough. Network can set you apart by giving you the access to the opportunities that may never be advertised. Connections can lead to the informational interviews, referrals, or even direct job offers. So we will discuss on the real life success stories. Meet the Sarah, a pharmacist who landed her dream job in Australia by attending a healthcare conference. Through networking, she connected with the industry leaders who later referred her for the position. Or take the Raj, who secured a role in the Canada after forming a relationship with the recruiter on the LinkedIn. These stories show how network can be the game changer. So first we will discuss on the how you can target your who are your target audiences. So identify them, define your goals, start the determining your ideal countries and the type of the role you are aiming for. Are you interested in the clinical pharmacy research or regulatory affairs? Having clarity help focus your network efforts. Research on the organization. Use the LinkedIn or identify the top pharmaceutical companies, research institutions or healthcare providers in the targeted country. Follow their pages and note the key personals. Stay informed on the trends. Emerging fields like the telehealth or personalized medicines are reshaping the global pharmacy. Align your career aspiring with these industry demand to make yourself more appealing to employ. Then we will discuss on the leveraging online platforms, join the professional groups, participate in the LinkedIn and Facebook groups tailored to the pharmacy pursuing international careers. Engaging in the discussions can help you to build the visibility and credibility. Attend virtual events. Many international pharmacy organizations host webinars, online workshops and career fairs. These platforms connect you with recruiters and peers worldwide. Build a personal brand. Use the Twitter and Instagram to share your insight or industry trends or your achievements. A strong online presence can attract the potential collaborations and employers. Focus on the in-person networking strategies, conferences and exhibitions. Attend the international pharmacy conferences like the FIP or regional events. The gathering offers valuable opportunities to learn more global trends and meet key decision makers. Workshops and meetups. Participate in the workshops hosted by the international pharmacy associations. These similar events can provide a more personal settings to build connections. Seek the mentorship. Connect with the experienced pharmacists who have transitions to the international roles. Their guidelines can help you navigate challenges and identify hidden opportunities. Or we will discuss on the international forums and recruiters. Top international forums and organizations. First is the FIP, International Pharmaceutical Federation. They focus on the global network, conferences and resource of pharmacists. Website is the fip.com.org. International Society for Pharmaceutical Engineering, ISPE. They focus on the pharmaceutical industry, best practices, regulatory updates and network. Their website is ispe.com. ICH, International Council for the Harmonizations. They focus on the guidelines for the pharmaceuticals to ensure the safety, quality and efficacy globally. Their website is ich.com. Dubai International Pharmaceuticals and Technology Conferences, known as the DUPAT. These are the regional and international pharmaceutical network and education. Website is the DUPAT. Top international healthcare recruiters. So one is the IMS recruitment, focus the global recruitment for the healthcare and pharmaceutical professionals. Website is IMS recruitment. Hey Life Sciences, focus their recruitment on the pharmaceuticals, biotechnology and healthcare sectors. Website is Hey Life Sciences. Actionable steps to get started. Create a professional online profile. Ensure your LinkedIn profile showcase your skills, qualifications, and aspirations. Highlight any international experience or languages skills. Personalized outreach when contacting the individual. Tailor your message. Mention shared interest or how their work aligns with your goals. Avoid generic introduction. Follow consistency after making a connection. Stay in touch. Share relevant articles. Congratulate them on milestones and engage with their content to mature the relationships. In the last, we will conclude the network is the major than just exchanging the business cards. It's about building the meaningful relationship that can propel your career to new heights. Start small but stay consistent and you will see results over the time. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Opportunities with Aqeel for more tips on the advance your global pharmacy career. Let's turn on your international dream into the reality. Thank you very much.